So, but I know since this is a height, my height is always going to be perpendicular. So to find the value of x here, I'm going to use one triangle. So I'm going to use this triangle. So half of this length is 11, and this is 11 because I divided 22 divided by 2. I'm given my hypotenuse at 24. I'm given a leg A. So now I need to find B. All right, so 11 squared plus x squared is equal to 24 squared. So 11 squared is 121 plus x squared is equal to 24 squared, which is 576. All right, so again, solving for x squared, subtract 121. So x squared is equal to 5, 7 minus 2 is 5, so 455. So then taking the square root of 455, x is equal to, we're going to go with 21 since it's 0.33, 0.3. All right, so number 6. All right, they want me to find this length here. Well, this is a composite figure. So I'm going to divide this into a rectangle and a triangle. So I've got my triangle with a hypotenuse of 16. So, but this whole length here is 18. So I'm going to do 18 minus 5. So I know this leg here is going to measure 13. And then this is just the length of x. All right, so we're going to go with 13 is A, x is B, 16 is C. So I am going to A squared, which is 13 squared plus x squared equals 16 squared. So 13 squared is 169 plus x squared equals 16 squared, which is equal to 256. So solving for x squared, I'm going to subtract 169 from both sides. So x squared is equal to 87. Taking the square root of 87, I get 9.32. So x is equal to 9.3. All right, so let's look at number 7. So number 7, I need to find the whole length of my bottom. Well, since this is a right angle, this means this is a right angle. So I'm actually going to find the length of x here and the length of x for this triangle. So I'm going to do the Pythagorean theorem twice and then add it together. So I'm going to label this triangle 1, triangle 2. So for triangle 1, I've got a squared. So we're going to go with x squared plus 14 squared is equal to 12 squared. Oops, I messed up. Should be the other way around. Sorry. So this should be 12 squared is equal to 14 squared. Nice job, Miss Story. All right, so 12 squared is, so x squared plus 144 is equal to 14 squared, which is equal to, let me verify, yep, 196. So subtract 144 from both sides. So x squared is equal to 52. So then x equals the square root of 52, which we're going to go with 7.2. All right, so now triangle 2. I am going to, again, use the Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to go with x squared plus 12 squared is equal to 29 squared. So x squared plus 144 is equal to 29 squared, which is 841. Subtract 144 from both sides. So x squared is equal to 841 minus 144. So it's 697. Taking the square root of both sides, x is equal to 26.4. All right, so I still need to find the length of the whole bottom, so I'm going to add. So 7.2 plus 26.4 is equal to 33.6. So x equals 33.6. Whoops. All right, so the next problem I'm going to do, you guys don't have on your note sheet, but I'm just going to do it to expose you guys to it because I'm pretty sure you guys are capable of solving the word problem. So we're going to look at a work problem. So number 16. All right, a roofer leaned a 16-foot ladder against a house. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. Here's my house. Don't make fun of my house. It's as good as it's going to get, y'all. All right, there's my house. There's a window. All right, here's my ladder. It's just going to be a straight line. All right, so this is 16 right here. And I'm going to go ahead and label it with my unit so I don't forget. All right, if the base of the ladder is 5 feet from the house, how high up the house does the ladder reach? All right, so